first question. Which board game helps kids 8 and up figure out if Professor Plum murdered someone with a wrench? Sorry? Dream date? Clue. Mob, please answer now. All right. What do you think?
Okay, definitely played this game when I was a kid. Definitely know the answer. I'm going with C, Clue.
All right. Kristen says it's C, Clue. The correct answer is it's C. It's Clue. All right. Let's find out how many people got that wrong.
Come on. What?
Only one person got it wrong, and it wasn't Jake the Chimp. Wait a minute. I know you love. They're crazy about the Jake. Number 11, what's your name, sir?
My name's Tony.
Tony, do you think you were intimidated? What happened here?
You know, I got a little whisper from Jake. He said, sorry. And I wasn't sure what he was talking about.
He was his hand on your knee at the time?
Oh, my God. Ay, 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 yes.
Ay, ay, ay. Thank you, Tony. All right. Kristen just started on her journey to $1 million. She's only knocked out one person, and it wasn't Jake the Monkey. Let's see if she can knock out the 99 others when we come back.